Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Saksham and today a new product has came over here with us, which is the Transcend external hard drive. Okay, so this is a external hard drive from the company Transcend and it is a 2 TB Transcend storage. Okay, so 2 TB means it is 2000 GB. So we have got a 2000 GB external storage which we will be unboxing today. And this is one of the best storage, okay, because its processing speed is also fast, its transfer speed is also fast, and its everything is super fast. Okay, so you will love this one. Okay, so if you also are deciding to buy external storage, then this is the best one for you. But before you buy, I request you to watch this video till the end, so you will know everything what is inside this box and how it works. Okay, so let's start. Okay guys, so here as you guys can see, this is our Transcend storage. Okay, here you can see over here is a three stage anti-shock protection also, so that means your hard drive will not get in shock and it will be very safe. And here is it supports USB 3.1 generation. Okay, so that is the latest USB generation, so you can use that. And here we will get a free Transcend Elite software for data management, backup and protection. Okay, so inside this hard drive there is a software called Transcend Elite. Okay, and there is also another software called Recovery RX which I'll be showing you, and if you install that software then you can directly back up all your data for free. Okay, you don't need to pay any cost. Okay, it is free of cost. Okay, so now let's unbox it. So we will first of all take out it from here. Okay, so this is our Transcend storage here. Okay, now let's take out this also. See, here it is fully covered in rubber. As you can see, it's whole covered in rubber. This part is also all rubber. And then here we get a cable for connecting it. Okay, you guys can see over here its cable is something like this. There are two ports in a single cable. Let me focus it for you. Okay, here there are two ports in a single cable. Okay, like here in this storage also there is like this kind of cable you will need. Okay, two ports, like two kind of ports there is, but there's a single cable. And here is the user manual. Now let's have a look in our Transcend storage. So here you will get to see a small button here, right here, this small button. So this is basically a shortcut for ejecting and again inserting the hard drive to your computer. Okay, so when it is connected to the computer, then if sometimes this malfunctions, right? So sometimes when you connect it, then it doesn't detect or there comes some error, right? So when you press this button, then it will eject and again connect, okay, automatically. So you don't have to pull out the wire and again put in. So it is not that kind of work. You don't have to pull it out and put it again. You just have to press this button. It will automatically come out. Like, it won't come out in real life, but for computer it will just eject and it will again go inside, and then if there is any error it will solve it for you. Okay, so that is this button's function. And here also the LED light also glows, a blue color one LED light. So when you will insert this inside your computer, then you can know whether it is connected or not. Okay, when the blue light glows. Okay, so now let's insert it and check it. So we will take out this first, our cable. So let's tear this one, and here is our cable. So this is a USB to the port which is needed in this storage. Okay, now let's take it out, this one. Okay, done. So it is this much length, as you guys can see. Okay, its length is a bit less only, but it is enough if you have close computers. Like, it is this much, as you guys can see. Let's keep this one over here. Okay, it perfectly attaches. Now let's connect it in our computer. Okay, let us keep it here. And now watch closely. Okay, in this button, as soon as I will attach this, then this button will turn into blue. Okay, like blue LED lights will glow over here. So that means you can know that whether it is connected or not. Okay, so I am going to attach it. So here, okay, here as you guys can see, it has turned blue like this, and it automatically opened also because it is connected now, as you guys can see here. Okay, here, see the blue light blinks. So that means it is connected. Here you guys can see, here it login automatically come, new device is detected. So I can eject and then again join it from here only. Okay, for example, if I eject it, and next time if this is somewhere else, and I can just press this like this, and it will automatically be inserted again. Okay, so I don't need to go time to time to my laptop. And if it is not working also properly, then you can again press this one, then it will automatically be ejected and again inserted. Okay, now if you again take it out, the light will stop to blink as usual. And this is also very quiet. Okay, so it doesn't make a lot of noise when like when we have attached this one. Like most of the hard drives, they have a wheel which spins right inside the discs, and it makes kind of noise and vibrations, but this doesn't make. Okay, this is very quiet also. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you also are deciding to buy this storage, then I will give the link in the description. Please go and check it out. It's available in different types of colors, so you can choose any of them and buy it. And if you have any questions related to this, please ask me in the comment box. I will give answers to all of them. So that's it for today's video. We'll meet our next one. Till then, bye bye.